Hey everyone, welcome back to Arcane Past. There's a place in the Atlantic Ocean where ships disappear, where planes vanish from radar, where the ocean just swallows things, no distress signals, no wreckage, no bodies, just nothing. You've heard of it, the Bermuda Triangle. But here's the thing, everything you know about it, probably wrong. Let's start with Flight 19, December 5th, 1945. Five American bombers take off from Florida, a routine training mission, clear skies, experienced pilots. 2 hours later, the flight leader radios the tower. He sounds confused. He says his compass is spinning. He says the ocean looks wrong. Then he says these words: "We don't know where we are. Everything looks strange, even the ocean." The tower tells him to fly west. He says, "We can't. We don't know which way is west. Everything is wrong." Then silence. The Navy sends 13 rescue planes. One of them also disappears. Never found. For 5 days, they searched 300,000 square kilometers of ocean. Nothing. No oil, no debris, no life rafts. 27 men gone. That was 1945. But the disappearances started long before that. In 1918, a massive cargo ship called the USS Cyclops vanished in the Bermuda Triangle. It was over 160 meters long. It carried over 300 people. It sent no distress call. It just disappeared. To this day, it's the largest loss of life in U.S. Navy history that didn't involve combat. And here's the strangest part. The Cyclops had two sister ships, both also vanished in the Atlantic. Same route, same mystery. So what is happening in this place? The Bermuda Triangle is not actually a triangle. It's a region between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, about 1.3 million square kilometers of open ocean. And it's one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Thousands of ships and planes cross it every year. Most of them are fine, but some just disappear. Over the past 100 years, more than 50 ships and 20 planes have vanished in the Bermuda Triangle. Some were found as wrecks. Most were never seen again. Scientists have theories? Of course they do. Theory 1, methane gas. Deep under the ocean floor, there are massive pockets of frozen methane. When they erupt, they turn the water into foam. Ships lose buoyancy. They sink instantly. No time to call for help. It sounds possible. And experiments have shown that methane can sink a ship. But here's the problem. No one has ever found a methane eruption in the Bermuda Triangle at the exact time of a disappearance. Theory 2, rogue waves. The Bermuda Triangle has storms that come out of nowhere. Waves can reach 30 meters high. That's as tall as a 10-story building. A wave like that could swallow any ship, but rogue waves happen everywhere, not just in the Bermuda Triangle. So why do so many ships disappear here specifically? Theory 3, human error. The Gulf Stream is very strong in this area. It can push a ship off course by hundreds of kilometers. A pilot who doesn't account for that could fly into open ocean and run out of fuel. But again, experienced pilots know about the Gulf Stream. Theory 4, compass problems. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. That means a compass can behave strangely. Sometimes it points to true north, sometimes to magnetic north. It's confusing. A pilot who doesn't understand that could fly in circles until their fuel runs out. But that doesn't explain why planes vanish without radio calls. And then there's theory 5, the one scientists hate, something else. In 1970, a pilot named Bruce Jernan flew through a strange cloud tunnel over the Bermuda Triangle. He said the sky turned dark, his instruments went crazy, and then suddenly he appeared over Miami. 160 kilometers away in just 3 minutes. He said it felt like time had stopped. Skeptics say he imagined it, but he wasn't the only one. Other pilots have reported similar experiences, strange fog, instruments failing, lost time. The U.S. government says there's no mystery. They say the Bermuda Triangle has the same number of accidents as any other busy waterway, but that's not entirely true. The numbers are higher, much higher, and here's the detail that never makes it into the documentaries. In 2012, a research team scanned the ocean floor of the Bermuda Triangle with sonar. They found something unexpected. Two massive underwater craters, each almost a kilometer wide. They were caused by methane explosions. So methane is real. The craters are real. The sinkhole theory might actually be real, but that still doesn't explain Flight 19. Why would 5 experienced pilots all get lost at the same time? Why would their compasses all fail? And why would a rescue plane also vanish? Some say it's aliens, some say it's a portal to another dimension, but the truth is probably stranger and much closer to home. The ocean covers 70% of our planet. We have better maps of Mars than we do of the ocean floor. There could be anything down there: underwater volcanoes, hidden currents, ancient structures we simply don't know. And maybe that's the real mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Not that things disappear, but that we still can't explain why. So here's the question for you. Would you sail through the Bermuda Triangle, or would you take the long way around? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more mysteries that science can't quite explain, subscribe, because next time we're going somewhere even stranger.